self-explanatory.
So you've been the face of Gitanjali for a while now. What does this season of love signify to you?
That you're getting a discount.
All right. Today you're the face of a jewelry brand, and you often are seen shining on screen in a lot of jewelry. But can you date back and tell us what was the first piece of jewelry you ever owned?
It was my first paycheck, and I remember buying a small little ring which costed me $4,000, and I still wear it. It's special. It's just, I mean, like I said earlier, you know, it feels good. It's like a security for a woman to be able to buy jewelry, to be able to keep jewelry. It's something that goes on, it stays with you forever. And I was a kid. I was 16 years old. So I felt really proud that I could afford a little ring.
So from that little ring to now being a face of Gitanjali, how would you talk about your association with Gitanjali so far?
I've had a wonderful working relationship with them. It's been exciting, it's been eventful, and it's, you know, I mean, it's a brand that promises what it, you know, what it promises to deliver.
Okay, you can have a seat now as we bring on Ms. Sharda O'Neill and Mr. Sushil Sharma. We will open the floor to questions now. Questions related to the brand and the season of love. Okay, maybe request the photographers to settle down. We need the cameras to come in. And anyone with their questions ready yet? Where are the mics? Okay. Yeah. Maybe have a show of hands to whoever wants. Could the photographers move behind so the video cameras can come ahead? Okay. Anyone with a question, please raise your hand. Sorry?
Could you take a mic?
Yeah. Valentine's is round the corner. Tell us, how do you define
My
love?
fellow friends, photographers, वो कुछ पूछ रही है. हाँ जी.
Yeah. Valentine's is round the corner. It's season of love, of course. So tell us, how do you define love? What is love to Anushka?
Hui. I think love is when you can think, feel for somebody selflessly and as much as you might think for yourself, and their happiness and their concerns, their problems, you know, you are bothered by it. And I think it's, to me, that could be with your parents. That, in fact, there's nothing beyond the love that your parents, you know, have for you and you have for your parents. That's the only one that is unconditional. But otherwise also, you can extend this to everyone, to your friends, to your boyfriends, husbands, other kind of friends.
अनुष्का, कभी जैसे यहाँ पर 20% ऑफ सेल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, ऐसा कभी आपने फायदा उठाया है कभी सेल का कहीं पर?
सेल का?
हाँ, सेल का.
हमेशा, कभी नहीं, एक सेल नहीं छोड़ी है. जब हम स्कूल में थी, मैं कॉलेज में थी, तब there was like, you know, whatever money you had from pocket money, वो ही होता था. And the only way you could go and buy things is if you found out. In fact, मैं तो इतनी जुगाड़ू थी कि I used to go and find out कहाँ पे ये surplus वाले कपड़े मिलते हैं. You know, these brands. And then they have these surplus stores. So I used to go and find out where you get them in Bangalore. So you could, like, anyone can ask me and I'll tell you any store to go to and where you'll find what in Bangalore. So I was like fully into like sales.
और अब इन दिनों?
In Dino bhi. Why not? In Dino also when I'm traveling abroad and I see like 70% off and all that, I just start getting, I think it's my middle class sensibility. I get excited. 70% off, like it's free, and I run. So yeah, so I mean, you know, it's always nice. It's always nice to save some money, no matter what.
अनुष्का, ज्वेलरी की बात हो रही है, तो ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट, ऐसा कोई प्रेशियस गिफ्ट आपको मिला हो वैलेंटाइंस डे पर, एनी डायमंड सेट और एनी गोल्ड रिंग और व्हाटएवर, एनी ज्वेलरी?
No. Sadly, no. No one's ever given me anything on Valentine's Day. But my parents gift me, you know, they gift me jewelry. And my parents are the only ones who gifted me jewelry in my life, and I buy it for myself. And my mother gives it to me on my birthday or any, you know, if she's proud of me. So I try to keep trying to make her proud.
अनुष्का, ये तो रही बात गिफ्ट्स लेने की. आप किससे गिफ्ट देना चाहेंगी? जब अभी आप गीतांजलि से जब आपका टाइप हो चुका है, तो आप किसे
मैं इनसे खूब सारी ज्वेलरी लेके जाने वाली हूँ आज. मैं किसको देना चाहूंगी?
जी.
Yeah, I'm sorry to sound repetitive, but